Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about angle grinders. Not only can you do angle grinding with them, but you can do cutting and using a wire wheel, wire brush to clean off metal. First thing we're going to talk about is safety. So let me show you what we have. Okay, what we have here is a really nice pair of 3M safety glasses. Two nice features. One, has lights on it if you need them, both sides, and a magnifying glass area to see things close up. Wear these all the time or some type of safety glasses when using the angle grinder. Number two, when you put the angle grinder down, put it upside down like this. Do not put it down like this, because if you hit the switch, it'll go flying off and it won't end well. I only have a few different attachments to show you. One is the wire wheel attachments, good for cleaning metal or cleaning stuff off of bricks. We'll kind of stay in the same area. This is good for stripping paint. It's a good paint stripper. Okay, these are for cutting metal or steel or aluminum, and they are made of what's called carborundum. So as you cut, these start to disappear. They're very inexpensive. Buy a good quality one. Also, the reason for the safety glasses is I've seen these break, and this thing is could be running up to, I don't know, 8,000 RPMs, and it will throw that at you like a knife, and you don't want to lose your eye. This one is a kit for sanding, so you take this off and you can put a sanding disc on it. These are the replacement discs. You can get them in different grit. This is an 80 grit. This is also a really nice thing for cleaning welds and cleaning metal. It's sandpaper, and it's really great for cleaning up welds. Here's one I've used. This one is a grinding disc, more for rough grinding. These are really nice finish grinding, and I will try to show you how to change it on this grinder and a couple of the safety features. So one good safety feature on this one is this trigger. Unless you pull this safety back, then you can operate it. So you gotta have the trigger back. Without that, you can't accidentally trigger it, or someone can't come up and grab it and accidentally send it, especially if there's anybody happens to walk by. But that's a nice trigger safety there. Also, this guard back here, do not operate it without the guard. No. This button here will lock. Is loose. It locks it to be able to unscrew the head. So let me get a wrench for that. I'll be right back. Here we have a 22 millimeter wrench. I'm going to lock the button. It's locked, and I'm going to unscrew this. And this comes off, so nice and easy. Boom. You get a washer, a bolt, depending on the size of the hole that you're trying to put on. We're going to put this on because this is an easy way. You know what? Let's put the grinding disc on first. Okay. So if you look on this, there's no ridge. You see a ridge here. It fits inside here. If I have it around, it won't line up. So here, it lines right up. So here we put the disc on. Put the ridge side down. Hold the button down. Lock it in. At the end of the cord, I tie wrap the tool on here. This tool is for tightening down the disc. So I'm holding the button down where it's locked in, and I tighten it down. So let me set up a piece of steel over here and we'll take a look. This is my vise. One of the accessories I have for my vise is if you're clamping something down and you do not want to harm it, these are made of rubber with magnets in the back. You can clamp it down so it doesn't mar it. But this one, we don't care. We're just going to do some simple grinding with this, okay? And we're going to crank this closed. We're going to secure this, and we're going to secure the vise. Secure this. I'm going to clear the area out to make it safer, and I'll show you what the grinding does. Okay, steel is in the vise. I have my safety glasses on. Here's my grinder. Okay, it's plugged in, safety glasses on, holding this firmly. Let me give this a try. What I'll do is I'm gonna change to the sanding disc, and I will show you the difference in the finish. So you can see how it's kind of rough finish there. Let me change the disc. Okay, we're back. Also wanted to note that the tool that I use to remove this, I have it tied at the end of the cord, so you're not trying to change these with it plugged in, which you can get hurt. So we're going to try and clean up this grinding here. This is more of a polishing. See, it's a much smoother, it's probably a little hot, but it's a much smoother. There's one of the gouges from the grinding disc. There. But this is really just polishing it up. You can get different grits. I love that disc. It really works out well. And then, of course, you have the sanding disc, wire wheels if you're trying to remove rust or paint, cutting discs. There are discs for cutting concrete, but I have a very large 12-inch. Basically, it's like this, but it's for 12-inch, not these 4.5-inch discs. So, thank you for joining me. I'm looking at the angle grinder. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.